Hi, this is Sarah Kang with UAK Diversified. Today I wanted to share with you 4 things that you can do yourself to avoid probate. Estate planning is something that we usually think of Queen Elizabeth only having to deal with. But in reality, every person has an estate. If they own property, real estate, or if they have investments or assets and bank accounts. Each state has a probate process where all of these things are reassigned after someone passes away. So either a will or nowadays, many times these things pass by law. If you have a beneficiary, you don't need to go through probate. So 4 things that you can do easily is make sure that your beneficiaries on your retirement accounts are updated to who you would like to receive the assets. Second, make sure your life insurance beneficiaries are updated and be sure that it's not yourself or your estate that will be the beneficiary unless it's a very unusual circumstance that would require going through probate. Third, you can assign a transfer on death with a bank account. So any bank accounts that you own, if it's solely owned, you can sign one form that says I would like to transfer this account to this person at my death, and it will avoid probate with just that document. You can also, in Minnesota, use that same document, this is the 4th thing, to reassign ownership of a house. Typically someone whose spouse has died and they're the sole owner of the property, that house will go through probate if it hasn't been reassigned to ownership prior to death. So one way to do that very easily, if you are not eligible for a Medicaid lien on your house after your death, is to sign the TOD agreement as well. And that will take care of that issue. So very simple things you can do. A will not take care of all the issues. So in the past it did, but these days a will is mostly useful if you need to assign a guardianship to minors or if you have a lot of arts and collectibles. Thanks for listening.